me, what I'll do is I'll go through the markets that I trade, and I simply look at, do I want to trade it from the long side, or do I want to trade it from a short side the next day? I try to keep it really simple. Or is there some little coil pattern where the possible breakout? So I just make a note of these things on my sheet. It really only takes me about 30 minutes to go through each market. And then I'll step back and look at the big picture time frames and say, well, you know, is there any chance we're putting in a type of double bottom or double top, or is there more significant chart formation? So I'll approach it, you know, what am I going to do for the next day, and is there some significant chart formation on the big picture that I need to be aware of? You know, if you have a game plan, you know it's the wrong game plan too, so therefore it's easier to correct it. It's much better to have an idea, and then right away you'll know if that's wrong. So for example, let's say the market's been up for 2 days, and I come in thinking, all right, you know, I'm looking to short the market if there's an early rally, because it's a little bit overdone. You know, and it can pull back to in the middle of yesterday's trading range. So that might be what I'm thinking in my plan. However, in the overnight action, it may well be that the market sold off, Europe sold off, the DAX is down, and instead we're gapping down, in which case I'll be like, well, I'll see if there's still a rally to short, you know, but it could also be that we gap down and we're making our lows first, and we're going to trend higher for the day and close at our highs. So you have to work with the market. And then I'll step back and watch the index futures, because they're so correlated with the currencies and the financials, and there's really been a ton of market correlation for the last 2-3 years. So if it's in a liquidation mode, you know, if the S&Ps are selling off, you'll probably have liquidation in some other markets as well. But yeah, I'll go through my 25 markets and try and single out 4 or 5 that might have the can't miss trades on them. And sometimes I won't touch a market for 2 months if it's just not interesting.